Hello YouTubers, if you own a Model Y, you've probably come across this nightmare like I have, which is curb rash. It's happened to me twice already, and not only did it damage the rim, I also got my tires damaged, but I ended up gluing it back together and it's held up for some 20,000 miles now. But the curb rash has not gone away, obviously, and it's happened to me twice already, as mentioned. So what I did do was get these wheel covers from Tesstudio. The original Gemini wheel covers do not protect the edge of the rim, but these do. These go all the way up to the outside, so they protect the rim. So these are great wheel covers. They are made out of ABS polycarbonate. And as mentioned, I got it from Tesstudio. There is a discount code below that you can use to buy these wheel covers or any other Tesla mods that they offer. These are nice, thick plastic. As mentioned, they're made out of ABS. You do have to put some foam on the back, which I'll show you. They do come with center caps, although I did not install them. They're just plain center caps. And I spent the time putting the foam around the edges. These go in very easily, and as mentioned, they cover the entire rim. And also they were packaged very nicely inside the box. So let's get to the installation part of it. I did use rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol to wipe the outer part of the wheel covers. This is the double-sided tape that they come with. I basically peeled a paper and attached to the edge, and then the center caps. Again, wiping off the outer edge with rubbing alcohol is pretty easy. I just used a microfiber towel to wipe off the edge, and this just removes any residue or dust or anything like that, so that the foam sticks very tightly to the wheel cover. When I was putting this on, I was going clockwise, but I realized when I did the second one that it's actually easier to go counterclockwise. So if you stick this counterclockwise, you'll just be able to do it a lot faster. But either way, it adheres very well. And obviously using the alcohol makes the adhesion a lot better. So once you get that on, all around, I just push it down to make sure that it's stuck very well to the wheel cover, and then it's just a matter of putting it on. You use the outlet for the valve stem as a guide when you put it back on. So there's also an image that shows the valve stem, and you just line that up with your existing valve stem, and then you mount it on very quickly. Now you could still see the inside part of my rim where it's silver. Maybe I'll plasti dip it or something like that, black, so you don't see it. But the important part here is that the entire rim is covered by this wheel cover. So if you do hit against something, you will likely not get a curb rash because the wheel cover will take all the damage and then your rim won't be damaged. Again, it was very easy to put this on. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also use the discount code.